As a virtual assistant, PPC or pay-per-click is a highly valuable skill. So if you've ever heard of media buying or pagraran ng ads, that's actually one of it. Now, a lot of times we hear about Facebook ads, malaki ang sahod, but I want to make sure that you guys understand that hindi lang siya bastang pagraran ng ads at hindi basta sa Facebook ka lang marunong. Running ads could mean managing ad campaigns for clients, keyword research, campaign optimization, A/B testing, reporting and analytics, ad budget management, e-commerce support, remarketing campaigns, landing page optimization. Using PPC skills can elevate your value as a virtual assistant, especially for clients who are looking to expand their digital marketing efforts and improve online visibility. If you want to join the next class, i-click nyo tong link sa bio ko. Ang araw yung class niya na 4 hours each. 4 p.m. hanggang 8 p.m. yung class. At under Life Mentorship, hanapin nyo lang 999 pesos lang siya. 9. So yes, you read that right. Apart from the 2-day na live session, meron ka pang 2 weeks na internship where you'll be able to practice kung paano nga ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang PPC media buyer. You'll discuss technicalities pagdating sa Google at saka sa social media kung paano nga ba mag-run ng ads. All of this for the price of 999 pesos lang. And again guys, sa weekend na to, hindi uso dito yung humahabol ha kasi may onboarding pa kayong dapat tapusin. So pag nag-enroll na kayo, i-validate yung payment niyo, you will receive an email about the onboarding. Pagkatapos, kailangan tapusin niyo yun, meron doon test task, saka kayo makaka-attend ng live training. Pagkatapos ng live training yun, 2 weeks na internship, pagkatapos nun mag-a-application book kayo, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply at maghanap ng clients. At pagkatapos nun, may one-on-one pa kayo for the certification. Inuulit ko lang, hindi na po kami tumatanggap ng mga pahabol and this is your last and final call to join the class for PPC media buying this coming weekend. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!